Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Lashes and Kisses. So check out our new Prism gloss, you guys. How amazing is this? I can't keep it in stock, so the funny part of this video was I planned to show you guys what it looked like, but I just sold my last one and I always prefer to sell instead of keeping it for myself. So I'm just gonna order more, so next week hopefully I can show you guys what it looks like. But it's a beautiful gloss. It's so sparkly, everybody wants it. Limited edition. What I like to do for my beautiful customers is, I'll show you. I'll put it in a beautiful organza bag with my business card, ship it off like this. So if you order from me, this is what you're going to get. And I got some new amazing bubble mailers. They're blue. How gorgeous is that? It totally matches. If you want to order something, you guys let me know, because look at all the stock I just got in. Yay! Woohoo! So let me know. Thank you guys for watching. I will be doing some more videos like this because now I have more time and I have a ring light. So there's light in my room. Yay! Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.